Hello students, welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to practice preposition. Student, this is practice set 13 of preposition. Student, there are 50 questions here. Fill in the blanks with correct preposition. So there are two options given here and we have to choose one correct option. So number one is students. Number one is my friends leave dash Rewari. Students, we all know that Rewari is a small place. That's why here the correct answer is at. Now next one. I leave dash Haryana. Students, we all know that Haryana is a big city, big state. That's why here in is used. In is correct answer. In Haryana. Number 3 student, I prefer milk dash tea. So student, here after prefer we use to. To is the correct answer. Number 4, Ram married dash Sita. So student, here there will be no preposition. Ram married Sita is the correct answer. Now number 5, he was married dash a Russian girl. So student, here there will be to. He was married to a Russian girl. Number 6, birds leave dash tree. So student, here there will be in. Birds live in trees is the correct answer. Now number 7 students. Send me letter dash the address. So student, there will be to. Send me letter to the address. Now number 8, I go dash school dash foot. So student, there are three prepositions and we have to fill here to. I go to school on foot. Number 9, I went dash Mumbai dash Rajdhani Express. So student, I went to Mumbai by Rajdhani Express. By is the correct answer here. Now number 10, she jumped dash water at once. So here student, water is used here, that's why into is the correct water. She jumped into water at once. Number 11 student, he hit the snake dash a stick. Now with a stick, with the help of a stick, he hit the snake with a stick is the correct answer. Number 12, I reached dash school late. So here there will be no article. I reached school late. Number 13, distribute these sweets dash both the children. Student, here there are both and that's why between is the correct answer. There are two children only. That's why between is the correct answer. Now number 14 students, I did not attend what he said. So student, here there will be two. I did not attend to what he said. Number 15, I have no servant to attend upon or to my ailing mother. So here upon is the correct answer. I have no servant to attend upon my ailing mother. Now student, here we have to find out the errors in the use of preposition. So number 1 student, I begged some money of him. So here of is the wrong answer. What will be here? From is the correct answer. I begged some money from him. Number 2, I have no claim on the property. On is the wrong preposition. To the property. To is the correct preposition. Number 3, who can dare compete to you? So student, who can dare compete to you? Here to is the wrong answer. With you is the correct one. Now number 4, anger is compared with fire. So student, with is the wrong preposition. To is the correct preposition. Anger is compared to fire. Number 5, exams will commence from Monday. So student, from is the wrong before days what we are use on Monday. Exams will commence on Monday. On is the correct answer. Now number 6 students, I entered into the room. So student, I entered the room. There will be no article. There will be no article. No preposition. I entered the room is the correct answer. Number 7, I entered dash in a new agreement with him. So student, in is the wrong preposition, into is the correct preposition. I entered into a new agreement with him. Now number 8 student, I am enraged with his behavior. Here with is the wrong one. What will be the correct? At his behavior. Number 9, I was fascinated with her looks. So what will be the correct answer here? By her looks. I was fascinated by her looks. Number 10, he is good in cricket. So number 10 here, in is wrong. What will be the correct one? At is the correct preposition. Now number 11 students, he glanced at the letter. So student, at is the wrong preposition, over is the correct one, over the letter. He glanced over the letter. Now number 12, let me introduce her with you. Here student, with is incorrect one, to is the correct preposition. Let me introduce her to you. Now number 13, he grieved for my loss. So what will be the correct one? He grieved over my loss. Over is the correct preposition. Now number 14, I was moved with tears on listening. So student, here with is the correct one. I was moved with tears in listening. In is the correct one. Now number 15 student, we are playing with cards. So student, with is the incorrect preposition. Here there will be no use of preposition. We are playing cards is the correct one. Now number 16 students, she is very quick in understanding. So in is the incorrect one student, of understanding. Of is the correct preposition. Number 17, I am offended with his word. So with is incorrect one, at his word. At is the correct preposition. Number 18, he served out a dish of fruit. So student, here there is no need of preposition here. He served a dish of fruit is the correct sentence. Number 19, he was surrounded with dangers. Student, here with is the wrong preposition, by is the correct one. He was surrounded by dangers. Number 20, I am vexed with my servant's absence. So here with is the incorrect one, at is the correct preposition. I am vexed at my servant absence. So student, we have got here 20 sentences with incorrect preposition and we have changed it into correct one. So thank you for watching the video students. I will come with another practice set in the next video lecture. So keep watching my videos. Thank you. Share my channel and subscribe it. Thank you once again.